Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn here who's the greatest. Our second part of this lesson. Last period we already learned what is the story. In this story, this story upon the Birbal and Akbar. Akbar was very great king. He also loved to our country's people also. He also is a vast empire, also very strong army, untold wealth. And he also gave respect. He also gave the respect to our country's people. For example, here, so he also respects scholar, writers. Takes is the poets also and artists also. One day, Akbar also entered in our court, and that time he also asked a question to our Navratna. Navratna is the Birbal's court members. Akbar's court member. So that time he asked a question to our Navratna, and that time Akbar also replied the answer. Everyone also replied. What is the question? So question is we also, as soon as we also, that time Akbar also seated on his chair, and that time he also question for this whole member, what should be the punishment for someone who pulled my Moshe? Moshe means Misha. He also pulled my Moshe. So what is the punishment? So that time every person also replied. What is the punishment? One is replied, you also flog him. Flog him means beat him with the whip, with the leather belt also. Next is the one is the reply, you put him in a jail and without food and water also. So what is the next? This whole part we learn here. So here, whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The against countries began to cry out. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offered should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetie for such a grave offer. The countries began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an exclamation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's Moshe? Only his own grandson. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of his countries. A few of them thought he was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. You are the greatest of the kings. You are the greatest of the kings or emperors that ever lived on the earth. So this is very fantastic. What is the next? So weeping. One person also replied no. One person also asked replied the answer. Whip him. Whip him means beat him. Beat him up. Hang him. Cut off his offered hand. And you cut down his hand also. Who are pulled your Moshe, no? So the against countries began to cry also. Against country means who are live in our country people, no? When if you punish this person, no, who are pulled your Moshe. So these people also you punish, and that reason you began to cry. These countries people also began to cry. Only Birbal was silent, and only one person also silent in the whole court, and this is the Birbal. You understood? And he was even smiling a little. Every and each person also replied no. That time Birbal also only silent, and he also silent, and he also smiling. Birbal, what is your opinion? What is your opinion? What is your answer? So that time, in my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offer should be given his favorite sweet mart. So this is my opinion, Akbar king. You also offered sweet. You also offered the sweet mart means, for example, chocolates. Yeah, Cadbury also. Who's our favorite this person? No, who's are you pulled this your most? This person. Yeah, also you offered, you given his favorite sweet mart, favorite chocolate also. This is my opinion. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweet mart for such a grave offer? The countries began to say. And who's are present there? No, this whole person also replied, you are very crazy. You are very crazy. What do you say? You offered the sweet for this person who are pulled the king's moisture. So you are very crazy, Raja Birbal. What do you say? So that time Birbal smiled and offered an exclamation. Yes. Who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's moisture? Only his own great son. You understood? Yes, you offered. You given to his sweet mart because who's are very brave? Who's are Akbar king's heart, near the Akbar king's heart. This person you offered the sweet mart. Why? This is my opinion. Why? Because who's this? Only his only one and only grandson. You understood? फक्त आणि फक्त त्यांचे ग्रँडसन म्हणजे त्यांची नातवंडच त्यांच्या मिश्र होऊ शकतात. You understood? So you offered the sweet mart. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. When Akbar listened to the Birbal's answer, no, that time Akbar also laughed, burst out very very loudly. He was laughing because he also exactly reminded in our mind, no, what happened in the morning time, what happened. That time Akbar also burst out, Akbar also loud, very very loudly laughing. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of the countries. A few some of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. And another occasion, another festival also, Akbar was relaxing with saying of the country. Akbar also only relaxed, no, because Akbar also getting answer. What is the expecting answer? No, that reason Akbar also listened the answer, Birbal's answer, and that time he was only relaxed. And whole court also relaxed. And that time Akbar emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. You are the greatest of the kings. You are the greatest of the kings of our emperor that even lived on the earth. And that time Akbar also said, you are the greatest king because you are very brilliant. You are very very brave and you are very intelligent person, and that reason you live on the earth. So next part we will learn our next video. You read this lesson upon my teaching, and then you find out the difficult words, note down in your notebook, find out the sentence, how many sentence types are present in the 2 pages. You find out the sentence structure and note down in your notebook. Thank you.